guys, this is 2013 LandCruiser Sahara 200 series. So this one had a problem is you can see the check engine light on, traction control light on, so and four-wheel light also blinking. So I scanned the car, I got this code P2442. So air system switching to valve stuck open bank 2. So we have to replace for this one the air pump system. So this is the V8 engine, is a petrol. So one valve in here of this one and other valve in here. Can't see. We have to off this air duct. So you can see the 3 12mm bolt, one here, one there, and one here, and the 2 10mm bolt in here, 1 2. Okay, here's a new one. Okay, we do the bank 2 side already. So we install the bank one side. Guys, we finally installed the both side bank 1 and bank 2 air switching valve assembly. So after that we have to install the air pump assembly. This is the air pump. This one located in the side underneath the guard cover. Guys, this is the air pump. So that switching valves. So we have to remove these 4 screws bolts to take it out. This air pump is located in the front right hand under the fender covers. So I dismantled the part for the air pump. You can see the inside, they're getting water. So after that we're going to erase the code. Okay, we erase the code, all code is gone. So thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.